how to see the list of the people you are following on TikTok. Hi everyone. Today, if you want to check the list of the people you are following on TikTok, in this video we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. So let's just dive right into the video. Head over by opening up the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account. So just wait for the screen to be loaded up. After it is loaded up on your profile icon, just go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and here, once we're on our profile page, look for the following count near the top right under your profile picture and your bio. Just go ahead and tap on the following number. This will take us to the list of everyone that we are following. So here we can scroll through and see all the accounts we follow on TikTok. We can also tap on anyone's profile to visit their profile page, for example this person right here. And if you want to unfollow someone, just tap on the following and it will turn into follow, indicating that we have unfollowed them. So to search for specific users, we can use the search bar at the top corner, on top of the list. You can search for specific user there, and we can also do that. So therefore, that is how we can easily see the list of people we are following on TikTok. It is very quick and simple. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks, and see you in the next video.